Hello, my name's Claire Barr. I'm one of the Area Community Officers with Dún Laoghaire Rathdown County Council. Today I'm going to show you how to register and create a profile for our online grant system. If you begin by logging into www.dlrcoco.ie. Once in this page, click on Apply for it. Here you will need to scroll down until you come to Grants. DLR Grant Scheme 2021 and click on the arrow on the right hand side. Scroll down on this page and you will get the link to apply for a grant. Now, you can either sign in if you've previously registered, or if you've never used the system before, you will need to register. Today I'm going to show you how to register. Click on the register button and enter the email address you are going to use for community grants. Then click Next and enter your first name, your last name, and create a password, a minimum of 6 characters, a symbol and a number. Then resubmit the same password and click Register. You know your registration was successful because your name will appear in the top right hand corner. We're now going to view the grants. This allows you to see all the grants currently available with Dún Laoghaire Rathdown County Council. I'm going to choose the community grants. And this is the outside page to the community grants, which gives you access to the community grant guidelines and allows you to see how the questions are weighted. I'm going to click on the blue Apply button on the right hand side. Now, because I haven't been in this system before, I need to create a profile. So my profile name should be your own name. This way, if you are the position of secretary this year and someone else will have it next year, they can also create their own profile. Click Save once your name entered. Then enter your organisation's name. Then it's asking for the organisation's address. If your group doesn't have a main address, here you can just use your address or the secretary's address, whichever is more the preference of the group. Then enter your area code. Choose your electrical ward by using the arrows at the side. And it asks you if you're applying as a group or an individual. If you're a residents association, you're a group. Enter the organisation's phone number. If your organisation doesn't have a phone number and you wish to use your own mobile, that's perfectly okay. It then asks you whether this is your personal number or not. The email address for your organisation. Again, your organisation might not have an email address and you may be using your own, and that's perfectly okay. And it asks whether it is personal or not. Your website. If you don't have one, that's okay. And then it asks if you use any of the social media channels. Again, you may not, and that's no problem. Then you need to submit a brief summary detailing the aims and the objectives of your group or your organisation. So if you were a residents association, you will be putting in that you are a residents association representing the needs of your community. And you may explain a little bit more on this. Are you affiliated to a national governing body? If you were the Men's Shed, you may be picking up yes, as you would be part of the Men's Sheds Irish Association. And then it asks if you're part of a registered charity. If you are, you would have a registered charity number, which you would then submit in the next question. It also asks you for your PPN number. If you're not registered with the PPN, if you click here where the little blue here is, it will bring you directly to the DLR PPN website, and you can register here for free. Otherwise, enter your PPN number. And then save changes. Now, to apply for a grant, click on Use this profile. Thank you for listening.